Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create underwater audio effect and insane glow effects for the video. So here I already have the objects or the project that I would like to add the effects on it. So the first thing you have to do is just go bring these straight lines here into the beginning of the clip. So the first thing we need to add the underwater audio. To do that, you just need to go click this add audio, or you can also click this audio part, and after that you just need to go click this sound FX. Now to make it simple, just type underwater, and now you just need to pick the audio that you want to get. And whenever you got them, you just need to go click this plus button. And now make sure that you apply the sound into the whole video. If the audio is quite too long compared to the video, you just need to cut them by place this straight line into the end of the clip, go click audio clip, split, and delete the clip. And the next thing we need to do is just adding the skin glow effects on it. So you just need to go back, go click this part and go click effects. And now you just need to jump into the video effects. Please take a look on this line, and you just need to find the light effects section, and then you just need to go click them. Now the next thing you need to do is just scrolling down until you found this angel. Now you just need to go click it, and you already got the insane glow effects on it. If you want to reducing the intensity, you just need to go click it again and drag this point into the specific part that you want to have the intensity of the glow. And right after that, you just need to go click this checklist button, and of course we need to apply this effect into the whole video. You just need to drag it into the end of the clip, and here is the result. So that is the way how to add the underwater effect and insane glow skin effects. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.